together to welcome the awardee of this section, and the awardee is none other than Mr. Pankaj Sharma. And Mr. Sharma introduces himself as a digital learner exploring opportunities to impact businesses outcomes through digital initiatives and through blended learning system. He takes interest in digital, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. In his current role, he is heading L&D for Emcure Pharmaceuticals Limited and enjoying implementation of learning.
Parul, I'm muting everyone. There is some major disturbance, so you'll have to unmute and speak.
I will.
Yeah, please unmute and speak.
Yeah. So I was telling that Mr. Sharma is working for Emcure Pharmaceuticals Limited, and he's enjoying implementation of learning tools available through LMS with efficiency. And he has been associated with pharma industry for more than a decade now, and he has been leading trainings there. He has conducted 250 plus classroom trainings and has demonstrated personalized coaching to 270 managers. He has developed strong follow-up mechanism post-training to impact business and has seen significant yielding. He's a management postgraduate from XLRI Jamshedpur. So I would request Mr. Sharma to please come on video.
Stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up, stand up, stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up, stand up, stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up, stand up.
So before Pankaj says anything, I just want to say what a great colleague he has been for me for the last 10, 11 years when we worked together many years back together at Max Life. And I've worked with so many trainers, but I've hardly seen anybody grow like this. And Pankaj is a great mentor. It's a very special award because we're recognizing people who are also impacting trainers in a way that they're creating better trainers. You know, one is to do great training delivery. The other is to create trainers. And I think that's what Pankaj is doing. Is a community builder. He's very active outside his workspace also. He is a YouTuber. And I think his biggest legacy is his children. Both his son and daughter are YouTubers. And Shobit, this might interest you to know that Pankaj's daughter also does reviews of books on our YouTube channel. And these guys have thousands of followers. You know, and they are earning. I mean, you talk about financial freedom, they're already free financially, both his kids, you know, and they're making money through YouTube. So Pankaj, what a wonderful personality you are, and congratulations. And thank you once again for being part of this platform. So over to you for your, you can share a few words.
Am I audible, Hari sir?
Yes, Pankaj.
Yes.
Yeah. So, first of all, thank you so very much for this wonderful award. My take on, the thing is that we all are here. So, it is saying in Hindi, हम अभी हैं और हम थे हो जाएंगे. Right? Hello, am I audible, sir?
Yes, you are.
क्या बात कही है पंकज सर, बिल्कुल बहुत बढ़िया बात कही है.
What I said that कि हम लोग अभी हैं और अभी आने वाले टाइम में हम भी थे हो जाएंगे. और ऐसा हमारे पहले पता नहीं कितने हैं और थे हुए और आने वाले टाइम में आई डोंट नो क्या होंगे. So important thing is today's world is full of the information technology, AI and all these things. The important learning, what I learned personally, how you contribute to the community, how you contribute to the things. And today morning I was talking to my wife, and my wife is also, she's an educator for online platform called Unacademy. Then वो हमेशा she always used to tell me कि मेरे को students ने आज 20 heads दिए. There is some recognition which is called the heads. 30 दिए. मैंने बोला उनको कि यार ये heads देना, ये umbrella देना, ये how long this will keep on continuing, You see the people, those who are the great philosopher, great people, they are absolutely absolute. Their thoughts are older and the things are there. Important thing is how you are learning for yourself and how you are contributing to the community, especially for the learning community. And the people, those who are actually, they are struggling to become successful. Yeah. So if you are in any which way, you are able to, contribute and help people. And this is the only thing what I can say you can really contribute. I am very much, agree with the Amar what he said, that contribute, what he said very nicely. I am in the same opinion of that. And my request to all of you, whenever you feel that I am an instructional designer, I teach, I coach a lot of people on instructional design and follow. I have implemented many training program, learning interventions with the implementation of ID. So feel free to come to me for any help and support if I can make to you, bring in for you and for your organization, for anything. Forget about the organization boundaries that I am into this organization, that organization may come and go, but you as an individual will always remain there. Thank you so much, Hari sir, and thank you everyone for this recognition. Yeah.
Yes.
Well said, sir. Well said.